This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Bandlab and signing in. Make sure mic permissions are enabled so the app captures sound. Once signed in, click Create then New Project and choose Voice or Mix to start immediately. Choose your sample rate, 44. 1 kHz is standard, and set mono versus stereo input depending on your source. This gets you into a blank timeline fast. It's efficient because Bandlab presets common options, which saves setup time and avoids unnecessary menu hunting. Now you'll record and shape your sound. Arm the track, adjust input gain so peaks sit below 0 dB, and enable count-in and metronome for timing. Once done, record multiple passes and use the loop region to focus on sections. Comp takes to assemble the best performance. Make edits by trimming with fade-ins/outs to remove clicks, then apply EQ to clean frequencies, add gentle compression for consistency, and a touch of reverb for space. Also automate volume to polish transitions. Finish by balancing levels and panning to create a clear stereo field. Use the master channel limiter to prevent clipping and aim for peaks near -6 dB, so there's headroom for mastering. Once satisfied, export either stems for remixing or a full mix. Choose WAV 16-bit or 24-bit for quality, or MP3 320 kbps for sharing. If export fails or audio glitches occur, first check your audio drivers, increase buffer size, and make sure no other app is locking the microphone. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.